Guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a faith plan with me, and I wanted to just show you guys my process of how I do these spreads. So, disclaimer, this is the second spread I've done. We're only in the second full week of the year, but this is what I did last week, and this is what I'm doing for this week. So as you can see, my spread is completely blank except for the top row. So I wrote down, throughout the week, I wrote down the Bible verses of the devotionals that I've been reading. And that's it. That's all I did. So if I needed to pray about it or meditate about those scriptures or think about it some more, I did it outside of this planner. I did not do anything else except write down the Bible scriptures that were in that devotional. So now this is my process of what I'm doing after I write down the scriptures, and this is kind of my after the pen that I do at the end of the week. So basically what I did, you saw me put down that those two colorful boxes stickers. I wanted to layer them just for a different effect, but I put down two colorful boxes stickers and I wrote out a prayer, and that prayer actually came from the devotional that I was reading. So the devotional is called Battlefield of the Mind, and it's by Joyce Meyer, but I got it through the Bible app. I'll see if I can link it down below for you guys if you're interested in it. But what I wanted to do was write out an application. That's what I'm doing right now. So the end of that devotional talked about God's timing and how we may think that we have plans for our life and that everything's all good, but if it doesn't align with God's timing and his plans for our life, then it really doesn't matter. And y'all, that hit me right in the face this week because at the beginning of the week, I thought I had a plan for my job and my career, and now I'm not so sure. So, that's a different story for a different day, but we'll keep moving. We'll keep moving because I still don't know. We still got to pray and meditate on some stuff on that. But anyway, the next part of the week, so Thursday through Sunday, I actually finished that Battlefield of the Mind devotional on Wednesday, and on Thursday I started a new devotional, and I chose a grief devotional. It's out of the Bible app, the same Bible app that I've been using by YouVersion, and I chose a grief devotional. And what I wrote down at the on that last row, like the application section of this part of the spread, is I basically just talked about how with grief and everything that happened with my dad, I need to revisit that part of my life, even though it's hard to revisit that, grief and the grieving process and mourning. I never looked for answers biblically. I never opened the Bible during that part of my life. So I want to do that. I need to do that. So as hard as it is to revisit all those sad emotions and all that depression and grief and all of that, I really want to open the Bible and get answers from God and get answers from the Bible instead of my therapist or my friends or all the people that I did get answers from during that time. And that's not to say that I didn't appreciate their guidance, but I do need to look for God's guidance, you know what I mean? So that's basically all that is. I only done 4 days of this devotional, so I'm ready to keep going, and I think that's a 2-week devotional if I'm not mistaken. So more to come on that. You'll hear about that next week. But yeah, that's basically it. I wanted this spread to be black and gold, so that's what you see me doing now. I put white out on all of the colors on this spread, and I wanted it to be a simple black and gold. That's all. Like anything, I wanted this entire spread to be black and gold. That was it. And a lot of the stickers, I cut out a lot of this video, a lot of the editing in this video, because I was looking at stickers and I was looking at all my faith stickers, and none of my faith stickers were like, they weren't moving me. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like I didn't feel like they went with this spread, and I don't know if it was just me being picky this day or what, but I just didn't like any of the stickers that I had. And yeah, a lot of the stickers didn't match, but a lot of the stickers I just didn't feel like putting on this spread. Like there was a God with us sticker, and I didn't like it, y'all. But anyway, I did put this sticker down, and it says, "The peace of God, which transcends all understanding, shall keep your hearts and minds through Jesus Christ." And it's not really black and gold, but it'll do. It'll do. So this is how the entire spread turned out, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.